What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana. Unfortunately, that bullish divergence didn't play out. We saw some pretty swift sell-off here. So I want to go over some levels of support. So we're sitting at 138. We're down almost 14% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 40.84 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.07 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing, incredible benefits. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's a 4-hour chart. And I had noticed in yesterday's video, we created a lower low, we created a higher low on the RSI, but unfortunately we sold off rather swiftly and we created a lower low. So we invalidated that bullish divergence. We fell out of our ascending triangle. That target was met. Now I had been noticing that a couple other channels here were noticing a larger descending triangle here, and you can see we broke down. So the target, you would measure the body here, would bring Solana down to just under this level of support, which was a previous swing low, down about 100 for Solana. But you can see here on the 4-hour, we are trending towards oversold. So I would expect a bounce, a relief bounce off this level of support at 135 or right here, which was their previous swing high at 129. And if we do see a relief bounce here, your levels of resistance would be 148, which was a major level of support here. And then I would drop in this level as well, back up at about 169. So I want to jump over to the daily time frame. So you can see here on the daily, I pulled my Fibonacci here from our previous swing high in May, which was our all-time high before we absolutely took off and created a new all-time high, down to our swing low. And you can see we absolutely blasted through all these levels on the Fibonacci. So we may be coming back down for a back test of the 1.618, which is down at 118, would also line up with the 55 EMA on the daily. Now, if we were to lose the EMAs as we did here, when we corrected, we lost the EMAs, I would target this swing high for Solana at 81. We're still in a very powerful uptrend, and we're looking for continuation up to the 2.618, which is up at about 371. We just got overextended here. If we look at Solana on the weekly, you can see we are quite overextended. So it looks like we're coming back down for a back test of support as we did here. We corrected. We went through a massive pump and we corrected. We found support along the 55 EMA. So I'm just going to put it back here on the daily. So do keep an eye on 118. It could give us a wonderful opportunity to bounce back to the upside. But if we do lose those EMAs, we lose that level of support, target your previous swing high, which is here at 81 for Solana. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can see we are creating a bit of a bull flag here. It is quite a large breakout, would bring Bitcoin up pretty close to the previous swing high, up at about 52K. However, as you can see here, we're having a fractal where we're basically repeating what we just went through. We can see here with Bitcoin, we started to roll over. We saw our sell-off. We had a relief bounce, a dead cat bounce before seeing future sell-off. And we came right in between the golden ratio and the 0.786. And if we look at where we currently are, and we take our Fibonacci from our previous swing high down to our swing low, we're currently just underneath the golden ratio. So what may happen is we come up and we hit resistance right around the same area, which is around 49.4K, right in between the golden ratio and the 0.786. We get rejected and we see further sell-off. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that's what's going to happen here. But as you can see here, we had our sell-off, we bounced, we came up, we broke the golden ratio, we weren't able to get up to the 0.786, and we sold off. So there is the possibility of seeing that repeated here, as it's looking quite similar, where we're rolling over. We had our bearish divergence on the daily, we come down, we consolidate, we break out, and then we get back above the golden ratio, but we fail to get back above the 0.786, and we roll over once again. But to invalidate that, we just have to come up and break this high. So we'll end the video here with Solana. So I would expect to see a little bit of bounce here off 135 or 129, back up to this level of resistance, 148. Your next level of resistance is up at 169 here. But if we come up and we get rejected at 148, that's when you can see that continuation. So do target 129 as your level of support. And we have that technical target down at 100. And if you look at Solana here on the daily, do keep an eye on the 1.618 at 118. If we lose that and we lose the EMAs, the 55 is lining up right at about 100, then do target the previous swing high at 81. We're still looking healthy for continuation. We just got a bit overextended and we're going through a bit of a harsh correction, but you have your future price target at the 2.618 up at 371 for Solana. So that's it for this one, guys. I trade Solana on Bybit. You can check out my full link tutorial. You can check out Phoenix as well. There's a $600 bonus on Bybit as well as over 2,000 on Phoenix. And you can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.